Hello viewers, this is Amir Alimul Haq. Welcome to Software Viewers. Today I'll show you how to add signature in your Gmail account. So viewers, this is very important tutorial. So viewers, don't forget uh, watch full video. So viewers, let's start the work. At first I open my Google Chrome, then I log in my Gmail account and I open Gmail. I click on setting option, then I click on see all setting and scroll down this, and here the signature option. There are no signature add in here, so I click on create new. I type here my signature name, my signature. I click on create, then I type here then I select here my signature and click on save change. Here's our send a mail. I open my another Gmail account where I send a mail. Here's this mail, and this is signature option at here, and this is email body. So viewers, this is tutorial for today's no more. Viewers, if this video help you, obviously like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Viewers, thank you so much watching for this video.